(1954년) 보스턴 하버 아일랜드. 짙은 안개를 뚫고 어디론가 향하는 배 한 척. 뱃멀미로 고생 중인 미국의 연방보안관 테디 다니엘스. 중범죄자 수용시설인 셔터 아일랜드의 애쉬클리프 병원으로 향하는 테디와 척.
You okay, boss? Yeah, fine. I just can't stomach the water.
자신의 파트너 척과 대화를 나누는데
How long you been with the Marshals? 4 years. So you know how small it is. What about you? You got a girl? Married? She died. It was a smoke that got her, not the fire. So that's important. Give you a briefing about the institution before you left.
셔터 아일랜드에 위치한 애쉬클리프는 중범죄를 저지른 정신병자들이 구속되어 있는 감옥이었습니다.
The other side of the island is Rock Bluffs, all the way down to the edge of the water.
유일한 탈출구는 선착장뿐. 탈출을 시도한다면 바다에 떨어져 죽거나 경비들의 총에 맞아 사망하는 탈출이 불가능한 섬입니다.
I'd appreciate it if you'd hurry up about it.
Why?
Storm's coming.
하지만 레이첼 솔란도라는 여성 수감자가 실종되는 사건이 발생했고 해당 사건을 조사하기 위해 연방보안관 테디와 척이 그곳에 파견된 것입니다. 섬에 도착한 두 사람.
Never seen a marshal's badge before.
맥퍼슨 부소장의 안내로 사건이 발생한 정신병원으로 향합니다.
All right. You gentlemen will be accorded all the help we can give. But during your stay, you will obey protocol.
교도소의 절차대로 총기를 반납하는 두 사람.
What do you say we go find Dr. Cawley?
그와 대면하게 된 두 사람.
Daniels? Doctor.
Marshal Hall.
One, Rachel Solando. Escaped sometime in the last 24 hours.
자녀 셋을 살해하고 집 근처의 호수에 익사시켰다는 말을 듣게 됩니다.
Then she brought them back inside and arranged them round the kitchen table. She ate a meal there before a neighbor dropped by.
그녀의 사진을 보여주는 코리 박사. 사진을 본 테디는 악몽 같은 트라우마를 떠올립니다.
Sorry, doctor. You don't happen to have an aspirin, do you?
뱃멀미 때문인지 두통으로 괴로워하는 테디. 그에게 약을 건네는 코리 박사.
Rachel still believes the children are alive. To sustain the delusion that her children never died, she's created an elaborate fictional structure and she gives us all parts to play in that fiction.
테디와 척은 레이첼이 있었던 감방을 살펴보는데
So, she left here barefoot?
그녀의 신발은 그대로 있었습니다.
Marshal?
타일 밑에 감춰져 있던 쪽지를 발견한 테디. 이런 미스터리한 쪽지만 숨겨둔 채 모습을 감춘 레이첼. 절벽의 동굴을 발견한 테디.
What about those caves down there? Have you checked them?
No way she could get there.
가시도 든 식물들이 많아 동굴엔 못 들어간다는 맥퍼슨.
What's that tower?
It's an old lighthouse. The guards already searched inside it. It's getting dark soon. I'm calling this off for the night.
뭔가 숨기는 것이 있다고 생각한 테디. 더 강도 높은 수사를 이어가게 됩니다.
You were on watch on the landing, huh?
수사를 위해 병원 관계자들을 신문하지만
And you were at your post all night?
Yeah, but I didn't see a thing.
Tell me the truth.
하지만 수사에 비협조적인 병원 관계자들.
Glenn.
I maybe went to the bathroom.
Let's back up here. Let's all just back up.
집단 치료를 받은 후 입실했고 자정 순찰 때 사라졌다는 레이첼.
So you were there. Was there a doctor present?
Yes, Dr. Sheehan led the discussion.
We're going to need to speak with Dr. Sheehan.
그녀의 주치의인 시안 박사를 만나보려 했지만 완전 봉쇄는커녕 주치의에게 휴가를 허락한 상황.
Of course, he's a doctor.
테디와 척은 어이가 없었습니다. 그날 밤 코리 박사의 거처를 방문하는 두 사람.
It was a little overwhelming. It was constructed.
그가 지내고 있는 건물은 남북전쟁 때 지어졌고 사령관의 거처로 사용되었던 건물입니다.
Forgive me, gentlemen, my colleague, Dr. Jeremiah Naring.
그곳에서 네링 박사를 만나게 되는데
Isn't it common for men in your profession to imbibe?
Common enough. And yours?
Men like you are my specialty, you know.
Please edify us, doctor, and the rest of the staff as well.
하지만 절대 공개할 수 없다는 네링 박사.
Who the hell is in charge here anyway, huh?
이에 불같이 화를 내는 테디.
They don't have the authority to refuse, and neither do you, sir. We're gonna file our reports and we're gonna hand it over to him. Hoover's boy.
수사를 중단하겠다며 내일 떠나겠다고 통보하죠.
Nice night. You'll be bunking in the orderlies' quarters.
Hey, boss. We're really packing it in?
하지만 레이첼 실종 사건에 의문이 생긴 테디.
Listen, Rachel Solano didn't slip out of a locked cell barefoot without any help.
공범이 있을 거라고 추측하죠. 그리고 그의 꿈속 자신의 아내 돌로레스를 만나게 되는데
She's still here.
레이첼이 여기 있다는 돌로레스.
You can't leave.
I'm not gonna leave.
I'm just bones in a box, Teddy. You have to wake up. But she is. So is he.
Who?
Latest.
의미심장한 말을 남긴 돌로레스. 곧 제가 되어 사라지고 맙니다. 다음 날 잠에서 깬 테디.
Now, was Rachel receiving any other treatments for her illnesses?
수사를 계속하기로 결정했습니다.
Rachel Solando was on a combination of drugs meant to keep her from becoming violent.
하지만 효과는 한시적이었고 끝까지 죄를 인정하지 않았다는 레이첼.
She'd smile at me. She was so sweet. But you could see it in her eyes.
레이첼과 집단 치료를 함께 받은 환자들을 만나보는데
When I cut her, she screamed.
그 첫 번째는 피터 브린이었습니다.
But she scared me.
그는 아버지의 간호사를 공격해 얼굴에 흉터를 남긴 인물입니다.
Rachel Solando. You know that she drowned her own kids? She drowned her kids. What, they should be gassed?
피터의 말에 화가 난 테디.
Could you stop that?
Do you know what she was afraid of? You.
Stop! Do you know a patient named Andrew Latis? Do you? No!
급히 자리를 뜨는 피터.
Oh, I'll never get out of here.
두 번째로 조사할 인물은 컨스 부인이었습니다.
You seem quite normal. I mean, in comparison to the other patients here.
The difference is most people don't kill their husbands with an axe.
남편의 손찌검과 여자 문제로 그를 죽였다는 컨스 부인.
What can you tell us about Rachel?
She believed her kids were alive.
Dr. Sheehan was there that night.
척이 물을 가지러 간 사이 테디의 수첩을 빼앗더니 급히 뭔가를 적고 돌려주는데
Did you ever meet a patient named Andrew Latis?
당황한 컨스 부인.
No.
모른다는 말과 함께 황급히 자리에서 일어납니다.
Yes, every one of those patients back there about him. Who is he?
레디스에 집착하는 그가 이상했죠.
I don't give a damn about by the book, boss. I just want to know what the hell's going on. When this case came over the wires, I requested it specifically. You understand? Why?
테디가 살던 아파트의 관리인이었다는 레디스.
Andrew Latis lit the match that caused the fire that killed my wife. What happened to Latis?
이후 종적을 감췄다는 레디스.
About a year ago, I opened up the paper and there he is. He burned down a schoolhouse, killed 2 people. Said voices told him to do it. First he went to prison, then he got transferred here.
그 후 자신의 아내를 죽인 이곳 셔터 아일랜드에 수감되어 있다는 정보를 입수하게 되었고 아내의 복수를 하기 위해 수사에 자원한 것이었습니다.
Pretty sure he's not in Ward B. That leaves Ward C.
하지만 아무리 찾아도 보이지 않는 레이첼과 레디스. 흉악범들이 모여있는 시병동에 있는 것이 확실하다는 테디.
That patient, Bridget Kern. When she sent me for water, she said something to you back there, didn't she?
그녀가 적은 메모를 보여주는 테디. 그녀가 남긴 메모는 바로 도망쳐요라는 메모였습니다. 폭풍우를 피해 근처에 있는 건물로 들어가게 된 두 사람.
So if Latis is here, what are you gonna do about it?
I'm not here to kill Latis.
트라우마에 시달리고 있던 테디.
When we got through the gates at Dachau, the SS guards surrendered.
그는 제2차 세계대전에 참전했었습니다.
When I went outside, I saw all the bodies on the ground. Too many to count. Too many to imagine. The guards surrendered. We took their guns. We lined them up. It wasn't warfare. It was...
유태인 수용소에서의 일들이 그를 괴롭히고 있었습니다.
So what is this all about?
After Latis vanished, I started doing some checking on Ashcliffe.
많은 사람들이 이곳에 대해 알지만 진실을 말해주는 사람은 아무도 없었다는 테디.
By conducting experiments on the mind.
정치적 음모가 있다고 생각하고 있었죠.
And you think that's going on here?
그러자 증인이 있다고 말하는 테디.
Till I found somebody who used to be a patient here. The guy's name is George Noyce. He almost beats his professor to death. Ends up here in Ashcliffe, Ward C. 2 weeks on the mainland, he walks into a bar, stabs 3 men to death. Judge gives him life and dead in prison.
그를 찾아갔다는 테디.
But it's pretty clear from what he tells me. There are
experimenting on people here.
그가 이곳에 온 진짜 이유였습니다.
I didn't believe a crazy guy.
한 가지 의문을 제기하는 척.
Wait a minute.
그들이 애쉬클리프의 뒷조사를 시작하자 레이첼이 실종된 게 이상하다고 말했습니다.
I got lucky there was a patient escape. It was the perfect escape.
We came in for Rachel Solando. Where's one shred of evidence she even existed?
이곳에 뒷조사를 하는 테디를 유인하기 위해
All they had to do was fake an escape to get you here, and now they have.
그때 닫혀있던 문이 열리고
Marshal, are you out here?
두 사람을 데리러 온 맥퍼슨 부소장.
Get right off. Dr. Coley wants to talk to you. Now.
I dropped those suits off to be cleaned. Should be ready by tomorrow.
코리 박사가 있는 곳으로 향하는 두 사람.
If the facility floods, they'll drown.
Take a lot of flooding.
We're on an island.
그곳에 의료진들이 모여 회의를 하고 있었습니다.
Excuse me. Excuse me. We spoke this morning about Rachel Solando's note. You said you had no idea what that second line could refer to, correct?
That is correct, yes. Rachel's been found, safe and sound.
레이첼을 찾아간 두 사람. 그녀는 다친 곳 하나 없이 멀쩡했습니다. 맨발로 사라졌다고 했지만 그녀의 발 또한 멀쩡했죠.
Now, if you could tell us what you did yesterday, where you were, it would really help us narrow down our search.
And then I packed Jim's lunch and he left. And I sent the children off to school.
코리 박사의 말대로 애들이 살아있다고 믿고 있던 레이첼.
After that, I thought of you.
죽은 남편과 테디를 혼동하는 레이첼.
Don't you know how lonely I've been, Jim? You're gone. You're dead. How am I supposed to survive?
그녀는 테디의 품에 안겨 흐느끼기 시작합니다.
Rachel, it'll be all right.
그녀의 남편인 척 연기를 하는 테디. 그런데 그 순간 다시금 돌변하더니 난폭하게 화를 내는 레이첼.
My Jim's dead, so who the fuck are you?
그녀의 행동에 당황할 수밖에 없었습니다.
Who the fuck are you?
We found her down by the lighthouse, skipping stones. We've no idea how she got out, but...
Are you alright? You look pale.
그때 구토를 하며 두통을 호소하는 테디.
Take these, Marshal. A couple of hours, you'll be as clear as a bell.
What's wrong with them?
He's having a migraine.
고통을 참지 못한 채 약을 먹게 됩니다. 그는 척과 간호사의 도움을 받아 침대에 눕게 됩니다.
You should have saved me.
시끄러운 소리에 잠에서 깬 테디.
Okay, boss. This goddamn migraine.
비상발전기가 고장나 난장판이 되어 있었습니다.
The whole electrical system is fried.
Nice day for a stroll, don't you think? Towards sea, for example.
혼란스러운 틈을 타 시병동으로 향하는데
He's here.
레디스의 존재가 느껴진다는 테디. 그 순간
Tag, you're in.
그를 쫓는 두 사람. 그때 숨어있던 재소자가 테디를 공격합니다.
Listen, I don't want to leave here, all right? I mean, why would anybody want to?
방심한 틈을 타 그를 공격하는 테디. 그리곤 그의 목을 조르는데
What are you doing?
You got Billings. What the fuck's the matter with you guys? Catch them, not kill them.
그들이 재소자와 함께 진료실로 향하고 혼자 남은 테디는 시병동을 둘러보게 되는데
Latest?
That's pretty damn funny.
Your voice.
Don't you recognize it?
그는 이 섬을 탈출해 테디와 인터뷰를 했던 조지 노이스였습니다.
George Noyes. No. You like it? Well, you talk. Well, you fucking talk, and I'm back in here because of you.
그는 테디를 원망하고 있었습니다.
I'll never get out now. I got out once, not twice, never twice.
However this happened, I'm gonna find a way to fix this. You understand me?
This is a game. All of this is for you. George, you're wrong. Really? Been alone much since you got here?
I've been with my partner.
You've never worked with him before, have you?
George, look, I know people. I trust this man.
They're gonna take me to the lighthouse. They're gonna cut into my brain.
George, I'm gonna get you out of here. You're not going to the lighthouse. You're not.
She's dead. Let her go. Let her go.
He's not in this ward. If he's not in Ward A, there's only one place he can be. The lighthouse. God help him.
그가 등대에 있을 거라 예상하고 척과 함께 등대로 향합니다.
There it is. It's proof there's a 67th patient, which they said repeatedly doesn't exist.
Going on alone.
결국 밀물 때문에 등대로 건너가지 못한 테디.
I knew it wouldn't take long, but I couldn't get to it. The tide was up.
다시 척이 기다리는 곳으로 가게 되는데
Chuck!
하지만 무슨 일인지 척은 절벽에서 떨어져 이미 사망한 상태였습니다. 절벽 아래로 내려갔지만 척의 시체는 감쪽같이 사라져버렸습니다. 그런데 그때 절벽의 동굴에서 불빛을 보게 된 테디. 척이 안에 있을지도 모른다고 생각해 동굴 안으로 향합니다. 동굴 안으로 들어가자
Who are you?
I'm Teddy Daniels. I'm a cop.
You're the marshal.
Would you mind taking your hand from behind your back, please?
Why?
I want to make sure that what you're holding won't hurt me.
I'm gonna keep this.
Rachel Solando.
눈앞의 여자가 진짜 레이첼 솔란도였습니다.
Did you kill your children?
Never had children. I was never married.
환자로 입원하기 전 원래 이곳의 의사였다는 레이첼.
What happened to you?
I started asking about these large shipments of sodium amytal and opium-based hallucinogens.
Psychotropic drugs.
I asked about the surgeries too. Ever heard of a transorbital lobotomy?
테디의 예상대로 이곳에서 인체 실험이 행해지고 있었습니다.
Do you know how pain enters the body, Marshall? Do you?
Depends on where you're hurt.
No. It has nothing to do with the flesh. The brain controls pain. The brain controls fear, empathy, sleep, hunger, anger, everything. What if you could control it?
You can never take away all man's memories.
They're creating ghosts to go out in the world and do things sane men. Let me ask you, any past traumas in your life?
Why would that matter?
트라우마를 빌미로 미쳤다고 주장할 거라며 자신처럼 당할 거라는 레이첼.
You can say that about anyone at all.
The point is, they're gonna say it about you. How's your head?
The aspirin.
Jesus. And you ate the food in the cafeteria and drank the coffee they gave you.
No.
It takes 36 to 48 hours for neuroleptic narcotics to reach workable levels in the bloodstream. First the fingertips and eventually the whole hand.
Tell me what goes on in that lighthouse.
Brain surgery is where they create the ghost.
등대는 하수처리 시설이 아닌 뇌수술을 시행하는 장소였던 것입니다.
I learned it from the Nazis, kind.
Who knows about this? On the island, I mean who?
섬에 있는 모두가 그 사실을 알고 있었습니다.
You can't stay here. They think I'm dead, that I drown. I'm afraid if they come looking for you, they might find me.
어떻게든 척을 구하기 위해 등대로 가야 했던 테디.
Don't move! Stay where you are!
교도관을 기절시킨 뒤 등대 안으로 향합니다. 그런데 그곳에 있던 건 다름 아닌 코리 박사였습니다.
Why are you all wet, baby?
총을 들고 있는 테디 앞에서 여유를 보이는 코리 박사.
The rifle's empty, by the way. Have a seat.
Yes, he's here.
Have Dr. Sheehan take a look at your man before you send him off.
그는 총알이 없는 것을 알고 있었고 테디가 찾아올 것 또한 예상하고 있었습니다.
Tremors are getting pretty bad.
Get out of here, Teddy. This place is gonna be the end of you.
Dr. Solando. She told me about the neuroleptics.
하지만 레이첼은 존재하지 않는 사람이라는 코리 박사.
Your delusions are more severe than I thought. You're not on neuroleptics. You've been here for 2 years, a patient of this institution.
그동안 테디가 이곳에서 치료를 받았다는 코리 박사.
Here's a copy of the intake form. Somehow you couldn't find time to look at it. Well, read it now.
67번째 환자의 입원 서류를 보여주는 코리 박사.
Patient is highly intelligent, highly delusional, decorated Army veteran, present for the liberation of Dachau. Former U.S. Marshal, known proclivity for violence, shows no remorse for his crime because he denies. I've had enough of this bullshit. Where's my partner, huh? Where's Chuck? Where is he?
조작된 서류일 거라 생각하죠.
Focus, Andrew. What do you see?
그런데 그를 테디가 아닌 앤드루라 부르는 코리 박사.
You were committed here by court order 24 months ago. Your crime is terrible. One you can't forgive yourself for, so you invented another self.
자신이 앤드루 레디스라는 말을 믿을 수 없었던 테디.
Rachel Solander, your missing partner. The dreams you have every night. You were at Dachau, but you may not have killed any guards.
자벽부와 교도관, 환자까지 폭행했고.
2 weeks ago, you attacked George Noyce.
No, I'm fucking on to you, doctor.
테디가 믿지 않자 노이스와 나눈 대화를 전사해뒀다며 보여줍니다.
I hear I'm quoting again. You did this.
테디의 폭력성이 도를 넘어섰다는 코리 박사.
The warden and the board of overseers are determined something be done. It's been decided that unless we can bring you back to sanity now, they'll lobotomize you, Andrew. Do you understand?
You're gonna tell the U.S. Marshal's office that he's a defense mechanism?
그런데 그때 문을 열고 들어온 건 자신의 파트너 척이었습니다.
Who are you? Who are you? Tell me.
I've been your primary psychiatrist for the last 2 years. I'm Lester Sheehan.
자신이 닥터 시안이라는 척의 말. 이 상황을 받아들일 수 없었던 테디.
I swore before the board of overseers that I could construct the most radical, cutting-edge role play ever attempted in psychiatry, and it would bring you back.
If we fail with you, then everything that we've tried to do here will be discredited. Everything.
And right now, it all comes down to you.
총을 들고 난동을 부리기 시작합니다.
Andrew, please don't.
What did you do to my goddamn gun?
그들이 준비해둔 장난감 총이었습니다.
We're telling you the truth. Dolores was insane, manic depressive, suicidal.
그에게 아이들 사진을 보여주는 코리 박사.
Simon, Henry.
We never had any children.
And here, the little girl, the one you dream of every night, your daughter. Her name was Rachel. Are you going to deny that she ever lived?
So sorry, baby.
그 순간 아내와 딸의 환영을 보게 되는 테디.
Told you not to come in here.
그날의 기억이 떠오르기 시작합니다.
I'm back.
연방부 한관이었던 앤드루 레디스.
Loris.
정원 그네 의자에 앉아있던 돌로레스.
Baby,
물에 들어갔었는지 흠뻑 젖어있던 돌로레스.
why are you all wet?
I missed you.
Where are the kids?
They're in school.
It's Saturday. Honey, school's not in on Saturday.
My school is.
무언가 이상함을 감지한 앤드루.
Oh my god. Oh my god, no! No, please, God. Please, God, no!
Let's put them at the table, Andrew.
그녀는 제정신이 아니었습니다.
Tomorrow we could take them on a picnic.
If you ever love me, Dolores, please stop talking.
Set me free.
I love you, baby.
I love you too. I love you so much. I love you like.
결국 그녀를 총으로 해방시켜준 앤드루.
Andrew, can you hear me?
Rachel,
잠시 후 기절했던 앤드루가 일어납니다.
I don't remember that. I do.
You reset, Andrew. I hope that what we've done here will be enough to stop it from ever happening again, but I need to know you've accepted reality.
결국 모든 사실을 인정하는 앤드루.
My name's Andrew Ladis, and I murdered my wife in the spring of 52.
그동안 앤드루를 치료하기 위해 그가 꾸며낸 가상현실에 동참했던 의료진들. 그렇게 치료가 성공적으로 끝난 줄 알았지만
Gotta get off this rock, Chuck.
하지만 다시 테디로 돌아간 앤드루. 치료가 실패했다며 신호를 하는 닥터 시안.
You know, this place makes me wonder.
Yeah, what's that, boss?
그에게 마지막 질문을 던지는 앤드루.
Which would be worse? To live as a monster? Or to die as a good man?
Teddy?
치료에 성공한 그가 인격을 포기한 모습을 끝으로 영화 셔터 아일랜드는 막을 내립니다.